Hey Girl Scouts, it's your troop leader Kate Daisy. Today we're going to take a nature walk together. These are the things I want you to look for on your nature walk today. Visually be looking for what the weather is like today. Wave hello to someone that passes you. Look for any wildlife. I want you to collect a piece of trash, a leaf, a pebble or a rock, and a twig. And bonus points for anyone who makes a bouquet out of plants they find on the trail. When I went on my nature walk, it was a sunny day with a nice breeze. Picking up trash on your local trail is a great way for a Girl Scout to make the world a better place. Just remember, wash your hands after you pick up trash. So another fun thing you can do on the trail is gather a few little flowers or plants and make a nice little bouquet to put on your kitchen table. These white flowers right here are perfect for a small little bouquet. See, I picked these in just a few minutes and it's a beautiful little centerpiece to put on our kitchen table. And then the most exciting part of the nature walk happened. We saw a rabbit. The rabbit actually let us get quite close to it. It seemed to be munching on some grass and just having a nice day. Well, that was our nature walk. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. See you Girl Scouts later.